Hi, I'm Grace Bodenhammer and I'm from Overland Park, Kansas. My current major is exploratory studies because I'm still exploring my options. I chose to go to KU because I've always been such a big fan and I love the school spirit and I've heard so many amazing things about the school. I've also had many relatives who have attended KU and I would love to be part of a sorority because I want to find my lifelong friends and having a home away from home is something that is really important to me, and also the thought of being involved in a philanthropy is just really exciting. I think something that helped shape the person I am today was being a part of the Treme Performance Company. And what this is a dance company where I would assist professional choreographers and dancers around the United States, and I would also help lead the other dancers in the room. And so this really helped me build my self confidence, and I also had the opportunity to help other dancers and other people build their self confidence as well. So this really helped me become a strong leader. And it also took a lot of courage to go out and audition for something like this. And it just really pushed me out of my comfort zone. I would say three words that describe myself are kind, loyal, and genuine. And I know that Rush is really different this year, but I'm still really excited and really looking forward to becoming a part of a sisterhood and finding my lifelong friends.